On behalf of Isuzu Motors Limited and our many partners, it is my great honor to welcome you to today's groundbreaking ceremony. This project represents more than just an investment in infrastructure. It symbolizes global partnership, innovation, and shared prosperity.
First, let me extend my heartfelt congratulations to Chairman Katayama and the entire Isuzu team.
It's a tremendous honor to stand here today at this important milestone for Isuzu. Through this plant, we are making stronger our long-term commitment to North America. We look forward to the day when this plant is completed and when we can celebrate its success together with you. We are especially grateful to Governor Henry McMaster and Ambassador Yamada of Japan for joining us on this historic occasion.
We believe in the 3 E's: economic growth, education, and environmental protection and conservation. And that environmental includes cultural heritage, it includes the trees, it includes the rivers, it includes all of that. This is a great company, and what it will do is provide good paying, solid jobs, futures, and careers for the people of South Carolina. And we're here to celebrate our state, our past, our future, and our great future with this great company, Isuzu, and we're delighted to be here with you today. Thank you.
It's truly a pleasure and honor to share with all of you this special day as we take the first step forward on the chapter in our company's journey. Many factors influenced our decision to relocate our production base here, like excellent business climate, a strong automotive production base, a skilled workforce and positive labor management relations, access to the Port of Charleston and outstanding transportation infrastructure, and generous economic development support from the state, both the state and Greenville County. And these elements makes this region an ideal location for building our future. We are so excited to imagine what the next 40 years may look like, starting with this new plant. Again, thank you for being here today. We look forward to growing together. Thank you so much.
This facility will contribute to the shared prosperity of Isuzu and this Palmetto state. Isuzu will be more than just a manufacturer. It will be a good neighbor. It will be a trusted partner. And as Isuzu's motto says, it will be ready to move the world for you.